Hello, everybody. Welcome to Epic Funny. Gangster Troll. Today we are going to take IQ tests, and I'm going to be proving my results, and I'm going to show you how I got the answers. So we take it on IV.es. This is a bombshell of a website. I think it's IVUS IQ test, and we're gonna be taking different ones, and we're just gonna show you what I get. Let's find it. UVIS. Here we go. Before we start, this test is in Spanish, and I have no fucking idea what Spanish is. Well, I mean, there are two different translations, but I have it translated on Google. So, let's get this shit on the road. Alright. I've done the test before, so I'm going to go over how I got my answers. Okay, so first, obviously, this is M. This is pretty simple, and if you don't know, here's proof. A, B, C, E. As you can see, it's going to go 4 letters. E, F, G, H, I, J, K. That's J. Fuck me. Okay, yeah. So, whatever. It's M because penis. Sorry for my total incompetence at this shit. Okay, anyway. Well, let's prove it. Sorry guys, I'm very camera shy. No, I'm just retarded. That's a J. K, L, M. Yeah. See? It's 2 in between, so that's M. Okay, next buddy. Next one. This one's easy. We're gonna make this kind of scroll up a little bit. Okay. So here's how you do it. This is 1, 3, 6, 10. And so here's how you would see. Okay, let's see what are these plussing by. 2. Okay, what is this plussing by? 3. And what is this plussing by? 4. So if you're gonna do like these where they have like a continual process like this, what you should do is check first addition, division. You could do addition, subtraction, and multiplication are usually what they do here. So this is plus 5 because logically it's going up plus 1 each time, so that's 15. Next one, if you guys are, I don't know, high school math level, you all should be familiar with this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Well, I don't exactly know when you do this, but you see, 1 plus 1. This is the Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci, I believe. Probably Italian, retarded. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. And pretty much it's just saying you take this one and this one, add together, and you take this one, and this one, and this one. And if you do 3 plus 5, that's 8. Shit. Okay. So I might not actually fully finish the test. Well, I'm just kidding. I have time. So next one's 21, 20, 18, 15, 11. Simply, you want to check for addition, and obviously you can see these are going down, so there's no addition. This one's minus 1. Okay, check minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and that equals 6. And if you want to know how to do that, 10 plus 1 is 5, 6, boom, and penis. 6. Next one. 8, 6, 7. If you can already see the pattern, you're pretty good at this, I guess. This is the pattern. So here it goes. 8 to 7. This goes to 6. This would be 5 because, see, these are. And if you want it simply, it's minus 2 plus 1. So that answer will be 5. Now this one's a bit harder. It's 16, 2, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 3. Now, if you know this, you would know that, okay, 16 squared, now this is just kind of offhand information, is 256, so then this squared must be this. And it's asking you the one before, so you want to look at it in a right to left, how the fucking Jewish people write their language. Cringe. And, okay, so how do you get 16 by squaring, so we can get 4. So 4 is the answer. Next, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. So, that's minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. And you can see this is repeating 2 times, so then this must be plus 1. So the answer will be 1. Next one is 3, 8, 63, and 3, 9, 6, 8. So as you can see, ones where they had these big, at least 4 numbers, are all squared. Keep that in mind. And 3 squared is 9. Okay, and you can tell, and that would be, and then this is minus 1, and then you get 8. And you can tell 8 squared is 64. That's minus 1. So how would you get 3? Well, you hit square something, then minus 1. 4 minus 1. How you get square 1? That's 2. Easy, simple. Alright, now these ones we won't have to really go on the notepad for much, and I'll just be explaining them very easily. Also, though, these are very good for people who already have math knowledge. Like, this is pretty shit for an IQ test. But let's not complain about shit. This one's obviously just symmetry. I mean, even a monkey could do this. So, let's see, we can look at the middle column here, and we've got a circle, circle, circle. And these don't matter. We have 2 whites, good, and a black. So you can automatically cross out A and B, and we need to make sure. So we have 2 whites. We have these 2. We need to look at we have the diamond, a diamond, a plus, and a dot. We have a dot, a diamond, so then it'd be D. Star, star here, and then here. So these are already repeating each other. This one's gonna have to be this. Let me see. This one we might need to explain a little bit. Here we go. So this one's going like this. It's moving, whatever. This one's going down. And so it's going like here, then here. So then it must be going here, because then it'd make it square. So then the answer would be A. Next we have these lines. We need to keep these in order. So if you notice also, we have boxes. 1 box at the top, 1 box at the bottom, and 2 boxes at the top. So then, by that logic, and they also have a line down the middle, like this. So as you can see, this one right here has 2 lines. 1 down here, and then 1 down here. So then this one is the answer, and that would be A. And also, you can tell it's A because this column is down. Next, this one's just moving these. So we already know it's a triangle, and we can just count 1, 2, 3, and it's 1. So we all know it's this one. So B is already out, and we can tell by the rotation it's A. This one will stump people. This one will actually really stump people. This one's actually very easy to actually comprehend. So you can automatically rule out A. And why can you automatically rule out A? Because there's no black dots that point to the center at all. None at all. Okay, so we have B, and as you see, there's 1 here, this repeats it, and you have 2 attacking this, you have 2 in this, so logically that would be this one, right, it'd be this one, but that's not how it is, I guess. So it's either any of these, and it can't be this, because, it can't be D, because you see white here, and then it'd be another white, logically, so it would be C, and it would be these 2, but it's not this one, because there's no black one that's going into a black one, no black that goes into a black circle. Next, lines. 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. This one is another simple one, okay, B. Now this one actually stumped me the first time I actually saw it, but I'll tell you, explain it. So, a line, and then you have one with 3 lines, and then one with 5 lines. Okay, simply, this is 2, and this is 3. This is 5. Fibonacci, like I said earlier, this one, you scroll up, it's just like this one. So, then it'd be 8, and you can tell this 8 because it's a plus and then 8, yeah. So, D would be the answer. Next one is also a lot of logic, but it's easy to understand here. So how you do this is you see line here, line here, line here, and this is going like this. It's going in a circle, so then it'd be here. And also you can see there's a line here, and then adds a corner, and then a square, and then you get a triangle, and then you get a square, and you get a square at this angle. So that would be D. Next, we have the arrow problem. So this one adds half, how do you say half a thing? So then, if you see none of these have half except this one, so it would be D. The position of the arrow shouldn't matter that much. It doesn't matter at all because that's the right answer, I'm like 90% sure. So then you do, now we're doing this one, which is just a cool shape, I guess. I think we're going to close this off and then go in here. And you can see, these, it's pretty, so it wouldn't be this one because all the lines have not been that long so far. So it would be C. I'm closing it off because I don't know that. I think that's it because like you have to, because it's adding a line here, so then it has to add a line somewhere, and it can't go here. And none of them have been like sideways. Yeah, that's just what I'm thinking. Next is the dot, which I can pretty much explain very easily without Windows Paint, MS Paint. How this goes, you see the dot going, and then it's going to go here. You have 2 options. You have this one or this one. And these are pretty simple to decide between. So this one is up, and down, down, C. If it's wrong, I guess it's wrong. Fuck it. Next one. This one's going to take some explaining to do. Okay, here we go. So we have a box like this with a box like this. So what it's doing, this one, it moves this up, and it moves this down, and then it consequently moves this, and then it moves this box like that way. And if you, this might sound a bit far-fetched, but it's better. It's more something I could explain in my head better than on fucking MS Paint on a shit Windows 10 computer. Pretty much, it would be this. It would go to this eventually. And why? That's because this one is flipping these, and you can see this one goes like this, then this, then this. So then logically, it'd be like this. And there are 2 that are like that, and then also the one inside is going here, 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 and then it would go like that. So that's how you get answer D. The next one is this one. So this one has no lines, so then it has a circle, because a circle is like the smallest shape. 2 options, you can have this or this, and no, these are stupid. And then this one, because it added 3 lines here, it would be D. Next one's pretty simple. It's like a clock. It's going here, here, and also it's losing shape, so it'd be A. There are missing 2 of the 4 fields. Pick the picture on our side. So this one is simple. I mean, it looks kind of hard, but in reality, it's actually very easy to do. So these problems are going to be matching a lot and like finding what these are. So you see these go to here. So you'd be like, it kind of like these problems where it's like stops and then it goes on, like a Fibonacci. So you have, it's going to be a square, because these are adding together, so you can like be like that, a square and a pentagon. Next, you need to make these lines sideways and this way. And as you can see, there are no ones that are going sideways this way that are adding, or not adding at all. So you can automatically roll out this one, this one, this one, and you can do B and C. Next one's a circle. Now, this one, as you can see, some of these are going. Most of these, if you can look by logic, this one's adding, minusing, adding. Okay, this one's adding it. So, and these are just stupid. Like, why would you do this? So it's going to be A and D for these, because a circle, there is no two-sided shape except maybe this, and that's it. That's a half circle too, so it's not even a shape really. This is circular. So that would be the answers. Next we have a square and a triangle. Well, as you can see, there are ones that are lining here. This one is not even with this one. This one's actually odd, I think. This one is even, so B, and then it's adding this one. You can find logically D. Okay, next one is adding, and then it's removing this, and you need to pay attention to the center. This is what I was doing. This is my thought process. This whole video is my thought process. So you look at the center, and then it goes away. So the center, the focal point. So what is this one going to be? It adds it. So it's going to be D, because also all of these, this one is the only one with the black in the lines. Next is a very simple one, and this is just kind of matching the shapes together. It's like if you put this shape and then this here, it would make a full shape. So if you had this here, and you got something like this, it'd make a full thing, and that'd be C. Now this one is the hardest part. Let me just fucking jack power this shit. This is the hardest part, so it's a, how this works. We're going to do it in pretty arbitrary, unintuitive terms. Or it can be intuitive, whatever. So this one is, I'm going to say it goes 45 and then it flips. So, I know that's probably just a guesstimation. And then it also inverts these. So, it could do like an equation like this. So with this one has been, inverted, so we can, invert them back in, which would be this. We can also remove the angle, and then it's flipped upside down, so we can flip it back, and we get this, B. Now to look at this, these ones going down, up, this one's down, so then it has to be up, C, and you get your answer, and click OK. And that's the test, this is my score. Suck my dick, please, and thank you guys for watching the video. If you did like the video, make sure to subscribe. Jerk me off for having a massive brain. And I will see you guys fucking next time. I'll be doing some more tests later. Send me some tests you guys want, and I will do them. Alright, bye.